Hello guys, this is Coffee again. Today I'm gonna show you the shell script I'm working on. This is a shell script that's supposed to be helping or automating the 10 things to do after new or fresh install of Fedora. So let's get started. Okay, here is my GitHub page. This is where you can find the script. Basically you can download or clone it here, but for new user I strongly recommend download the zip, save it on your local machine, go to the downloads, just extract it, go inside the folder. So the easiest way first you need to do is make it executable. So right click, properties, go on the permissions tab and check allow executing as a problem. Okay, the other method is open in terminal. Just press change mode plus X and name of the file in our case is Fedora. And now you can see it's already executable. Okay, so now what you need to do is just run it. To do so, just type /fedora and enter. Now you can see I'm trying to do it a little interactable. So the first question is, do you want to enable RPM Fusion repo? And just answer yes. Do you want to install the metadata and multimedia from RPM Fusion? Yes again. Please press your password and wait for everything to be installed. So this is the first time I'm running it. It might be a little slower, but be patient please. Yeah, it's taking a little longer. Okay, now, do you want to install the NVIDIA driver? Once again, I'm using the virtual machine for this video, so no, I'm not gonna install it. But if you have an NVIDIA card, I strongly recommend you press yes. In my case, no, go to the next stage, which is, do you want to install one staging for gaming? Yes, I do. It's almost done. Alright, we are ready. Next step. Do you want to install Steam and Utris for gaming? Yes, I do. Okay, do you want to enable and use Flatpaks? Sure. Put down your password. Press enter. Okay, do you want to install the GNOME tweaks and extension tools? Yes, I do. And as you can see, we are all set. You are ready and fully loaded. Okay, so we are done. Let me show you. So this is the script I did. It's nothing professional, nothing so special. This is my first shell script. So let me know what you guys think about it and how I can improve it. And by the way, I again strongly recommend you to do the update first, restart your system and then run the script. But anyway, okay, so that's for the video today, and let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. See ya!